The enemy, the on the run, attack his family. Gather at the riverbank, the enemy clan. Bodyguard the chief, since he's a dead man. Sound of signal, Pangazou to position. Pisang on command, awaiting his premonition. No chorus into semangat battle cries. Parabang spears lightning from the sky. Enemy retaliate in a triple threat. Peter in the air, beating 3 heads to the ground, somewhat of the rest. Battlefield's a scar, he cut it on his chest. Ditangkush to an ambush, he swallowed the pride. Got nowhere to run, got nowhere to hide. Atama the king, whenever on the attack. Kapatayan to the end, he never looks back. Of the ritual crowd he remembers, put to the test, kill the rival clan member. He pictures everything in his memory. Enemy begged for his life, leashed on a tree. Imbaran protect him on first mission. Pangazou guided him in maglawang positions. Protector of the tribe and family. Fate was written, legendary destiny. Take the head, leave the body to Chicago. Advice from the elders, the story was told. Keep Tulu in Barai, 10 people on your back. Up the ridge, cross the river, journey on the hidden tracks. This is how to rise above the enemy. Make them run, make them suffer heavily. If the enemy attacks in the broad daylight, launch kapatayon in the full moonlight. Hear the blood gush, whenever in the battle chosen by King 9, he was placed on his cradle. Rather die than be a slave, that's why he fights every day, every night to protect the rights of the promised land. Koboniyo, Hamin Pangazou of brave heroes, Kaning Matsale. Kung sanat, ferocious of the more fierce months of Piat. But why succumb to willing compromise? Promises of riches that made you sacrifice your pride, your people, you sold your Tulun. To the gunners now regret in do my ruin. If I die tonight, what will the for me? Love my sons, continue my legacy. Tulun to come, never be sold on a plate. Make this promise in your heart, forever change your fate.